Y'all, we did a lot of work outside yesterday. These are my seedlings that are growing. Look at them, y'all. They're doing real good. But you know what? I forgot to label them, and I can't remember what they are. I can't remember what they are. All right, so this is this tray. Nothing has come up right here at the ends. Like nothing's come up over here. Well, no, nothing's come up. And then these are different from these. I got y'all too close. And then these are different. And these are purple. I forgot what these are. And anyway, I have things coming up right here. And I'm pretty sure these are beans. I am almost certain. And then look at these. And then these have started growing. And these are 3 of my tomato plants I got to plant. And then this tomato's coming back that got killed because of a frost. And then there's other little seedlings growing in here too. They're tomato plants. This is my lemon thyme.
Around, let the good times roll. Home cooking magic, it feeds the soul. From pies to stews, every bite's a delight. At Misty's Pleasures, everything feels right.
And I started weeding. I started clearing this out yesterday, y'all. But anyway, I need to get some stuff from my rose bush because bugs are starting to eat on it. It's already starting, y'all. But anyway, we worked out here yesterday. I got the pond going. These are some of the flowers that I planted. I still got to plant all these. And we worked over here. Look at how the pond is coming along. Just look at it, y'all. It's coming along great. I've had this pond for how many years, Booger?
3 years. Don't you gotta let it cycle or anything like
Yeah,
that?
that's what it's doing now. Because that pump is brand new. The pump is brand new, y'all. So before I can put any fish in here at all, it's got to cycle. Yeah, these are flowers right here that I've been planting, y'all. Aren't they pretty? I gotta plant them. Look at my tree, my Christmas tree. Her friend's been letting her dog pee on her tree, and look what he's done to it. She loves that tree. Sometimes I think she don't care about it no more.
I do. Look how big the other one is.
That one's mine. And let me show y'all the azalea. The azalea bush. Now, this larabi needs thinned out. It's got to be thinned out really good. And I got to lay new mulch and stuff like that. Organize that a little bit. But this is my purple azalea. Isn't she gorgeous? This is the first year she's had that many blooms, isn't it?
Yeah.
She's doing really good. Really good, y'all. Makes me happy. Then we have another one of the trees right here. My bird bath.